Hey, thanks for checking in. As my favorite comedian would say, oh, J. That's Bill Burr. Check him out. He's funny as hell. But OG another tool. It's the Irwin Vise Grip Mini. They say it's 4.5 inches, but man, I think they're off by that because these are like 4 inches. But, what are you going to do? So I'm building some other EDC packs, right? And I'm like, what am I missing? Well, it's, a locking pair of vice grips. You got probably these big boys, right? They come in all different clamping styles, if you will. I don't know the technical term, right? Or you can use, the Knipex big boy and some of the smaller guys, right? And here's a size comparison. Let's put them both. They say this is supposed to be 4.5 inches. I don't know. These are 4 inches. This looks like 5 or 6, and I could be wrong. I'll look at it again, but it doesn't matter. I have another pack coming on the old Amazon, and I'm going to build another EDC kit. And again, my goal is to have 1, 2, 3 kits, interchange them with different things. So yeah, I was like, man, the locking pliers will come in handy. I've been there, especially with this style, clamping 2 pieces of wood or metal and then drilling through, it's basically a decent clamp, and we all have them. I don't want to drag them out. All mine are big for woodworking and other things, but I was like, man, I own some other Irwins. They're decent, right? I don't know if I can get that in there so you can read. Maybe there you go if you want more information, and I'll look into it. So I just got these today. I'm going to unbox it, if you will, and go over my thoughts. Right? So again, I am building another EDC pack. And if you're interested, stay tuned. Hopefully this will help you. Okay. Hey, I reviewed everything out of the package, and I apologize. My battery in my camera died. So, I did the old unpackaging with my Dragonfly, cut it all out. Awesome. Right? So let's get into it. Irwin Vise Grip. Here's the model number. The original since 1924. 2x longer life, right? Okay. Rest is in French and whatnot. Made in Taiwan. Not a problem. I like the Taiwanese. In fact, what's going on in this world, they're buddies of ours, so I'm trying to get everything I can. But let me tell you here, this thing is sweet. Okay? Can you roll it in your hand? I know that sounds stupid. I like doing it. But this thing is nice. The purchase, you can get in there. It's small enough, right? Did I measure it? No, they said it was 4 inches. So let's go to the top, not to the bolt that you screw in. It's 5 inches. Right? I got a Husky. This bad boy is a little over 6, but the difference is the size. Okay? That's clear. And then the nose, very thin. What I've noticed also is there's 3 different teeth. Got that, and then if you look up here, if I can get that in the camera. Yeah, so there's some good grip, right? It's called the Vise Grip. So for people that don't know about this, okay? So basically you unscrew it. All right, I'm going to use this wood. I don't know the dimensions, but you get it around there. Oh, all right, we got to go a little bit more until you feel a little bit more. You could lock it in. That's in. So that is a clamp that you can use for a lot of different purposes, right? EDC, you name it. I got a buddy that's a bass fisherman, and I know that he has something similar because I've watched him fish with something like this. You know, maybe, I don't know if it's the Irwin, but it's a needle nose. And he's like, dude, it's the best tool that I can have in my arsenal. So for the people that don't know, you know, you find your dimension and clip it in. And there you go. So again, this thing is sweet. Give you an overview. Okay. So again, I'm building a couple different packs, different EDC tool only. Yeah, I'm going to toss a knife in there, of course. Maybe even the Milwaukee, which is my favorite, besides this little guy. You know, this one is not going to fit in here, but I have a couple pouches coming from Amazon that are actually a little bigger, so this will fit in perfect. Okay? And I'm on the economical sense. I think this thing was under $12 or $13 on Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description. So, yeah, I don't know. This thing is pretty sweet. I think you should have one of these in your EDC pack for different purposes. One, for a clamp, but number two, I've been there where, you know, I unscrew a screw out of wood and it starts stripping. I get it up so far. Hey, you can go up on the top right on it, clamp on it, turn, and, you know, get it out. And again, there's probably other different purposes that I'm not thinking of that you could use something like this. I don't know. Give it a try. But thanks for watching. Have yourself a good day.